Welcome to my video. Today my daughter asked me to make some ghosts for her and her friends at school. I used 3dCoat for modeling, and in the beginning you will see how much trouble I had picking the right tool for creating the ghosts. I am very new to 3dCoat and voxel modeling, and it definitely shows. In the end, I did model a ghost and I did print it, but I'm not happy with it, and will definitely be remaking it. I did not upload the model to printables because the model is really not worthy of a download. I hope you can learn from my mistakes, and thank you for watching my videos.
Mm-hmm.